Understanding desert winds, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically the phrase, desert winds. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture and carries a rich meaning. So, let's explore what it's all about and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Desert winds refers to the winds that blow across desert areas. These winds are known for being strong and carrying sand and dust. They can shape the desert landscape and significantly influence the weather and living conditions in these regions. Understanding the literal meaning is essential for grasping the deeper, metaphorical uses of the phrase. In a metaphorical sense, desert winds can represent something that is powerful, unpredictable, and transformative. Just as desert winds can change the landscape, this phrase can be used to describe forces or changes in life that are strong and have a lasting impact. For example, the desert winds of change swept through the company, leaving it completely transformed. In literature, desert winds is often used to set a scene or convey a mood. It can evoke feelings of loneliness, harshness, or change. In speeches or writing, using this phrase can add a layer of depth and imagery, making the message more impactful and relatable. I hope this exploration of the phrase, desert winds, has been enlightening. Whether used literally to describe a natural phenomenon or metaphorically to depict life's unpredictable forces, it's a phrase that adds color and depth to our language. Remember, English is rich with such phrases, and understanding them not only helps in communication but also enriches our appreciation of the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.